the 74th annual Vedder River Boxing Day Steelhead Derby. Thank you all for coming out. I appreciate it very much. My name is Paul. I'm the Derby Chairman, and it's great to see everybody come out. Got a few good fish weighed in. It'd be nice to see some more, but it is what it is. 5 fish is still better than none, as everybody will say. All the proceeds from this go to salmon enhancements, so we put it back into the environment and various programs, whether it's actual stream enhancement. We've been sponsoring some school groups as well that are doing salmon training within the schools, and so it's all improving the fishing for everybody, which I think is a good thing, and again, I don't think anybody would have a problem with that. If you do, come see me and we'll talk.
That's an excellent thing.
This year we did, actually last year we did $10,000 to the Fraser Valley Watershed Coalition, which does a lot of stream enhancement. And we've done another, I believe it's $5,000 to one of the school groups that is doing the salmon training through the schools and that as well. So I'll support those programs. It's an ongoing project. So start with the youth and work up, build fishermen, build selected habitat, and it makes it better for everybody. Okay, I'm sure everybody's eager to get on to the prizes. Kingfish, as everybody probably knows, goes to Brandon and Eddie. Would you like to come up?
Half the guys are still outside.
You want to give them a holler and tell them to come in?
Get up there, Brandon.
Congratulations, Brandon. 12.2 cost out. Qualifies for 2 categories, first fish and heaviest fish. So, it's a great big trophy. You get that, Chris?
Yep.
Okay.
Look that way and Rodney there. Get a picture, Rod.
First fish as well. Well, Vector Round Sport Fishing was really good to us. They donated 2 days of a charter, 2 nights of accommodation for 2 people, $400 value. So Brandon's going to take advantage of that and have some good fishing. So congratulations again. Okay, so next lucky fisherman was Josh Stover. Josh, there he is. Congratulations. Thank you. Picture.
Yeah, I'm videotaping, so Rodney's getting the pictures.
by Ed Hackwood, 11 pounds. 11.11. Ed.
There you go, Ed.
Fish was Ryan Hutchison at 10.32 pounds. Where's Ryan? When we did the renovations, some of these trophies got beat up a little bit, so we'll look over repair on them. Tough decisions, guys. Okay, so the fifth heaviest fish went to Cody Soika. It's Cody. Also Cody's at a 911, but he's got the one trophy there. Cody, do you want the other mug? Cody, good to go. Sorry, I forgot the smallest fish weekend. There you go. You get two. Okay, so that wraps it up for the main since we only have 5 fish. So we will get into the raffle for the rest of it. It's got the traded in. Okay. Line pick. Ticket number, blue ticket. 13, 122.30. 13, last 4 digits are 2230.
30?
Yeah, 2230.